chicken breast here, we want to cut it into small pieces, and then we make sure that we have, cut it, and then we want to put salt, we want to do garlic salt, we want to make sure every part is spread, we want to put our lemons. I have already squeezed all the juice to my chicken, and this I used to spread the chicken. You just hammer your chicken breast, and you make sure every part is already covered with your seasoning. And then we want to add some mayo, and after the mayo we will do the last thing. The mayo helps in just making our chicken soft. We don't want hard meat. And then we gonna spread our mayo to our chicken breast, and then we have provolone cheese that we are going to add on top of our chicken. And I have 2 chicken breasts, and so these 2 will now go to the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and 30 minutes cooking time. We are now baking our chicken. We want to place our chicken in the parchment paper, and then into the baking pan, and finally into the oven. So this is how we're gonna pick our chicken. We want to make sure that the spoon can hold the chicken well, and we have 2 pieces of chicken that we want to bake. So we place them over the parchment paper and into the microwave, which had to be preheated. So it's already preheated, and we're gonna place our chicken in the oven. So we just want 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes our chicken will be ready. So we are removing our baked chicken from the oven. It's going to be delicious. Oh, yeah. This is the part. Oh my goodness, just see. Wow.